Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Blessing Kaale, and today in this video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I achieved this soft lock hairstyle. So sit back, relax and enjoy. So I went ahead to use the 7 locks, like Lush 7 locks. Like I've been wanting to make this hair for the longest of time, and I also went ahead to use the expression Kiki hair. So guys, I'll be using this kinky hair to actually wrap my hair at the beginning to literally hide my hair with the locks, you get. So this is why I'm literally using the kinky hair. You can also use Brazilian wool, but this is more preferable for me, and that's why I went ahead to use kinky hair. So guys, I already went ahead to part my hair. As you can see, I already parted my hair and I'm ready to go. So guys, I later realized that there was no hole on the locks, so I had to start creating a hole. As you can see, I had to open it, then I had to tie it, put my hand in between and then tie tightly. So that's what I did initially. So I had to change the plans of making the locks in a crochet way. So what I did was, once you want to braid your hair, you section into 3. So I took, after braiding to some extent, I took a section and then put the hair into the hole of the locks and then start braiding everything together. As you can see, that's what I'm literally doing right now. So guys, the next thing I want to do is to add the kinky hair to wrap the locks. and I'm using the crochet method. As you can see, I'm using the crochet needle to add the kinky hair to the locks before I start wrapping the kinky hair around the locks. So guys, what you want to do is wrap the kinky hair around the locks tightly at the tip, then you continue wrapping. It's just like the way you do threading. Yeah, you keep on wrapping the kinky hair on the locks. So guys, when you get to the end of the kinky hair, you want to use your two ends to rub the kinky hair together so it would stick, it would stay, so that it doesn't lose. So guys, this is the complete look. This is what the hair is looking like, and I'm so loving it, guys. I'm loving how it's turned out. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if this is your first time watching my video, please subscribe down below and hit the notification bell to get notified on every of my video. Alright guys, if you would make this hair, please comment down below and I'll be more than happy to reply you guys. Alright guys, this is all for now. Can't wait to see you guys in my next one. Until then, stay fabulous, stay blessed. Bye.